Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learning Wisdom. If you are newly watching this channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. We are on the second episode of this juicing series. Let's get into the video. If you are looking for an effective and tasty immunity booster, I'll tell you the combination that makes for an appetizing drink that should be had at least once a week. It helps to boost the immunity to giving the skin a natural glow. The name of the juice is nothing but ABC, which is apple, beetroot and carrot. Let's see the recipe first. Take the equal amount of portions for apple, beetroot and carrot. Put it in a blender, add a little bit of water to it. Then drink without straining it because it has fiber content in that. So let's see the benefits of this. Beetroot and carrot together help relieve constipation by stimulating the metabolic system. The phytonutrients in this veggies helps to keep the gut healthy. Beetroot and carrot contain lutein, beta-carotene and alpha. That are nutrients which are good for the heart. Research says there are 4 ways to push out toxins from one's body. Fat-soluble toxins through the liver, water-soluble toxins through the kidney, undigested toxins through the intestines, metabolic toxins through the skin. This detox drink works on all these toxins and help clean out all these organs. This combination is good for eye also. It protects them from dryness, tiredness, which is usually caused by long exposures to screens. The ABC drink helps the skin glow and make it spotless by removing blemishes, black spots, acne, pimple and even blackheads. Vitamin A in this vegetable is known for an anti-aging properties, while the beta-carotene in carrot acts as an antioxidant which slow down the aging of cells. This drink has a low glycemic index and is super rich in fiber. It is an ideal combination for weight loss also. It also helps to increase the hemoglobin level in the body. So drink it as soon as you wake up. This will definitely help you and your skin to glow. So let's get into the next topic of this video, which is DIY. I'm gonna tell one ingredient which is help you to bring a natural glow to the face. The ingredient name is honey. It has antibacterial properties and very effective for helping the acne prone skin. Take a little bit of honey, apply it all over your face and neck, leave it for a good 10 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. It will give you a supple and soft skin and also an instant glow to your face. So we are moving on the next topic, which is a story. This story starts with here. In ancient times, a king had a rock placed on a roadway. He then hid himself and watched to see if anyone would move the rock out of the way. Some of king's wealthiest merchants and couriers came by and simply walked around it. Many people loudly blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none of them did anything about getting the stone out of a way. A vegetable merchant then came along carrying a load of vegetables. Upon approaching the rock, the peasant laid it down his burden and tried to push the stone out of road. After much pushing and straining, he finally succeeded. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying on a road where the rock had been. The purse contained many gold coins and a note from the king explaining that the gold was for a person who removed the rock from the roadway. The moral of the story is, every obstacle we came across in life gives us an opportunity to improve our circumstance, and whilst the lazy complain to others or creating opportunities through their kind heart, generosity, willingness to get things done. That's all for today's video. If you like this, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the third episode of this series. Until it's bye from Learning Wisdom.